Hi, welcome to How to Repair. Today I'm at a place called Golden Baibah, and this is the overflow place for the other site, which is called the Mogadors, which is down the road at the bottom. This is absolutely on a picturesque beach with beautiful sand dunes. Now this place is the overflow site, but it is exquisite. And I ate here last night. I had a T-bone, also some mushrooms, and the soufflé was fantastic. They do actually have alcohol here as well, but I'll take you through into the gardens to show you how beautiful this place is. It's got parking for approximately 15 to 20 vehicles. There are no dumping facilities with regards grey water or toilet cassette, but it is a great stopover if you do find that the other place is full. Okay, as you can see, the entrance is good. It is not the most level, but they are improving it. My camper was parked in there. There was 3 or 4 campers up in the top there, but the property is lovely. And the lady really looks after the gardens. You've got seating area outside, but as you go through to the restaurant and shower areas at the back, they are beautiful. Indoor eating if required. Outside eating as well, and they have their own chef with his own small kitchen. But let me just take you up around the gardens. Plenty of places to relax, and they've even got a small pool to cool off in. And up the top, for all you ladies who would like to get spoilt, you have a spa, some gymnasium equipment. You can even get a personal massage. And wait for it, you've even got a sauna. And the temperature in there at the moment is over 30 degrees. Shower facilities. And also bathroom facilities with modern conveniences. It is beautifully designed and styled. Some laundry area. For anyone staying in the campers, there's a small shower block here with modern conveniences. And I'll just take you down to that. I had a shower here this morning and it was piping hot. Modern toilet, paper, beautifully tiled. They even have a library where you can borrow a book. Internet throughout the whole place. beautiful bedrooms. There's 4 of them in the hotel altogether, and they're all named after different provinces in France. The views here are stunning, and you've got miles of beach to walk down. There's a local fishing village at the top, if you look up there, and I'll take a trip down there with the van in a minute. Okay, just taking a quick drive down to the beach area, which you can walk for miles and miles. It's an absolutely stunning area. There is a little bit of rubbish about, but there's also a couple of small bars hidden in the fishing village, which are really nice as well. You can walk for miles down these beaches without seeing anyone. And if you catch it on the right day, you can also get the local fish that come out of the sea. The Atlantic, everything I've eaten here so far, the sole, the lobster, the crab, has been exquisite. Bream, bass, the list is endless, but it is a stunning location. Let me take you out to the surf. And for those of you who love surf, well, this is the place. You've just got to see these rollers. They're only, I would estimate, 5-6 foot tall out there. They got a lot of power and they roll in for a few hundred meters at least. But all the way down this coast, it is totally spectacular. I'm actually blessed today because it's overcast and my Swede is having a day off of being burned. But I imagine even through this cloud, the intensity of the sun is very strong. But look at this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks very much for watching, and all the information that you require is in the description on this video. Thanks again for watching.